I just want to share with you
I want to share with you
three important
messages
in this video.
And so what we want to do is truly understand what a candlestick is telling us.
Good traders are alert, yet patient.
Good traders, they are alert and patient.
When a setup they've been waiting for shows up,
So when a good trading setup that they have been waiting for comes up,
they take it without hesitation.
they're going to take that trade without any hesitation.
If you are thinking of
If you're thinking of
quitting Forex
quitting Forex
or quitting day trading,
or day trading,
I think it'll help you out a lot.
this video will definitely help you out a lot.
If you're sitting here right now watching this video,
If you're watching this video right now,
you could either be on the verge of quitting,
you are either about to quit trading,
you have just recently quit,
you have already quit trading,
or you are a fan of me and I appreciate you.
or you just love my videos, which I appreciate it.
And by the end of the video,
By the end of this video,
hopefully you feel inspired,
hopefully you will feel inspired,
maybe rekindle trading if you have quit it.
or maybe even rekindle the joy of trading if you have already quitted.
Let's jump into the first one. I want to share with you guys
Firstly, I want to share with you guys
the time or times I almost quit trading.
the times where I almost quit trading.
I'm sure you've seen a candlestick cheat sheet pattern like this before,
You have probably seen a candlestick cheat sheet just like this.
but have you ever seen one like this?
But have you ever seen one like this?
Many videos on YouTube talk about candlestick patterns,
Most videos on YouTube talks about candlestick patterns,
but no video on YouTube truly teaches you to understand them.
but no one really teaches you how to understand these candlestick patterns.
Without this, you're just blindly copying patterns,
If you do not do this, you are just blindly copying candlestick patterns
and you will probably not become
and you will not become
profitable.
profitable.
So you see a trading opportunity. Looks like a decent setup,
So you see a trading opportunity that lines up with your trading plan,
but you hesitate.
but you start to hesitate.
I used to close my trades after a few minutes when I saw several red candles below my entry point.
In my first year, whenever I start seeing some sort of like red candlesticks like this in a row after I enter for a buy position, I will start getting scared, and this fear will cause me to get out of this.
But until that time comes,
But until that time comes,
they are not moved by the price fluctuations that tempt other traders.
they are not faced by these random price fluctuations that bait all the other newbie traders.
They don't chase the market. They let the market come to them.
Do not chase the market. Let the market come to you.
Number 10, guys, rule number 10. Practice every day, guys. This is very important.
The 10th rule is to practice every day.
If you look at any professional sport player,
So think about any professional sports player right now.
they are practicing more than they are playing the real game.
They put in the work day in, day out. They practice every single day.
Don't break your rules, guys, please.
You need to follow your trading rules.
You have to be disciplined.
Discipline is the only way.
Anything you want in life, if you're disciplined, you can get it.
What would happen to your life if you set out to do the things that you know that you should do? You are not disciplined enough.
You know not to move your stop loss.
You know that you should not revenge trade after a losing streak.
You know not to take trades or force trades. You know that, guys.
You know that you should not overtrade.
Notice anything strange here? These videos might look different, but if you listen closely, the words are exactly the same. This isn't just inspiration, it's blatant copying. Today, we're exposing a serious issue that could be costing you more than just money. There's a YouTuber named the Trading Geek who's been selling courses and offering trading advice. But there's a catch. Much of the content he's promoting isn't even his own. The Trading Geek has amassed a significant following, with thousands of subscribers and numerous paid courses. But beneath the surface, much of what he's presenting is copied from other creators. Imagine paying top dollar for a course, only to find out you've been served a reheated version of someone else's meal. It's not just lazy, it's downright disrespectful. Let's dig deeper. Here's the Trading Geek's videos, and here's where the original content comes from.
But guess what? You still do it.
But you still do it anyways.
Number 6, have break-even stops.
So the second tip that I have for you is to have break-even stops.
This is very important. So let's go to a good example.
So let's look at this example right here.
Rule number 2, guys, start small.
The next rule that I have for you is to start small.
Because everybody wants to make $200 in one day, $500 in one day, $1,000 in one day.
Everyone wants to make thousands of dollars from scalping in one day.
If you can't make $10 in one day,
But if you cannot even make $10 in one day,
why do you think you can actually make $1,000 in one day?
what makes you think that you can make $1,000 scalping in one day?
So start small.
So I want you to start by trading small.
Rule number 3, trade a good strategy, guys.
Firstly, you need to use a good scalping strategy.
This is very important, okay?
This is the most important one. You can check out the trading blueprint course link in the description.
Anyway,
Notice anything? The script is identical. And check out these thumbnails. They're eerily similar to those of other creators. This isn't just about the videos. If he's copying free content for his YouTube channel, what's he doing with the paid courses? It's like he's in a contest to see how little effort he can put in while still cashing in. Let's be real. It's like watching someone take a delicious dish, reheat it, and claim it as their own special recipe. If his creativity matched his ability to copy, he'd be creating something genuinely impressive, not recycling others' ideas. Copying someone else's work doesn't just harm the original creator. It also hurts you, the viewer, who is seeking genuine learning and growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content that uncovers the truth and helps you make the best choices.